Lost your TikTok streak? In 60 seconds, I'll show how to restore it fast. Open TikTok and tap your profile in the bottom right. Tap the 3 lines, then choose Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to report a problem or support and tap it. Check the streak area. If it shows a missed day or an error, you're eligible to request help. Select Report a problem, pick Other, then Need more help to start a request. Write a clear message. Example, I lost my streak when the app crashed on March 15th. Please restore my 42-day streak. Attach screenshots, your streak page, any error messages, and your device clock showing the date. Include device model, OS version, and the email or phone linked to your account. Hit submit and expect a reply within 48 hours. Keep checking your inbox and TikTok messages. If you don't get help, DM TikTok support on Twitter or Instagram with the same details and screenshots. Follow for more quick TikTok tips and save this video to try these steps later.